Hey besties, it's Becca and we dyed our hair blue. No, we're joking. This is just a wig, don't worry. But it's from Dollarama, so we're like feeling it, you know. Today's video, we are doing a tooth gem kit, a DIY from Amazon, and this was like 14 bucks. It came from another country to Canada for me. It has like the glue, it has like the UV light, and it has everything you need to bling bling your teeth. They just put it on Amazon when I found it. It was like, ooh, I've been wanting to do this for so long, but have never seen like a kit anywhere or a place to do it. I don't know. It's like, it was like really big in like, I feel like last year, like bling bling your teeth. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it comes with like a lot of stuff. See? Okay. It comes with gems. This pencil that is white, the UV light, and then there's glue. But there's no instructions. What the heck? What does that mean when there's no instructions? It means that this could be a complete fail. I guess this is like the glue. Let's see what it smells like. Like this could be poison. Oh no, guys. Just look at this. Oh my god, it smells like nail polish. Oh no. Gems in here. And like, I want to bedazzle my teeth like to the max. So. Okay. It's not really going in good, guys. It was my birthday yesterday too, guys. I had a great birthday. Yeah. Okay. Dry it off. Oh no! Okay, hold on. I don't know what this thing does. I don't know. Take this stuff. It might kill me. My eyes are watering really bad. Okay. Ooh. Oh no! Oh. Hey, huh? The eyes watering, Lily. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Let's start over. No makeup today. Sorry, guys. Okay. See what happens sometimes? Just bear with me. Hold on. Okay. Don't move. I think it needs more. Oh no! It's all off my tooth. Okay, hold on. Okay. I have big lips though. Oh no. Okay. Don't make me laugh. Okay. The glue. Oh no. Okay. Oh. That was weird. Carly is at grandma's, so this is a bit weird. Oh. Oh. Okay. Take the UV. How long do you hold it for? I don't know. No one said. There's no directions. Is it done? How do I know it's done? It's moving still. It didn't work. Look at the actual, like, this is what I'm working with, guys. Like, it doesn't even go back in. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I can literally move it with my lips. The glue isn't actually drying. It's just sitting there and it's gooey. And I can actually move it with my teeth. I deleted the ending of this video and I want to post it, so here is my final thoughts on these jewels. It was a train wreck and horrible. We tried multiple times. I tried off camera. It just wasn't working at all. I dried it like really good. I even took the blow dryer to my tooth. But yeah, it just didn't work at all. It was a waste of $14 or $15 that I paid. Honestly, I really want the gems on my teeth and I'm considering using nail glue. No, I'm joking. Don't doubt me. No, I will not use nail glue, okay? I am not that stupid. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe. Make sure you check out my GoFundMe and help support a bestie with making her own business. If you like this hair color, it's T14. I will link that video down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.